This forecast, unfortunately, it shows some shower chances.
You do have talent. Look at you.
Very little. It's not much. This is what we're tracking, though, for today. Summer weather is back. We've got humidity. We've got a little bit of heat. We've got showers and storms to talk about. We're also watching Tropical Storm Erica. My thoughts on it, and also the National Hurricane Center track coming up in just a couple of minutes. Let's talk about that sunrise. Beautiful right now, peeking through the clouds on our Storm Track Tower Cam live in Birmingham. Temperatures right now in the low and middle 70s. 69 is the cool spot in Coleman. All dry on Storm Track radar. Showers to our east right now, and I think those showers, chances at least for this afternoon, will be in the eastern part of our viewing area for the most part, and spreading to the west later on this afternoon. Little upper level moisture not associated with Erica, just off the Big Bend coast of Florida. That will continue to move to the north and impact the eastern part of our viewing area first, and then spreading over to the west. So watch our Storm Track Futurecast, still hanging on to plenty of clouds today. A few more showers popping up by later on this afternoon, later in the morning time. I think most of our rainfall will hold off until the afternoon hours, and the coverage right around 40% for us for today, spreading from east first and then over to the west. By later tonight, those showers start to end. We'll see a dry start to Sunday morning, but lots of cloud cover, and then more showers and thunderstorms. The coverage a little less for Sunday than it will be for today. All right, so let's talk about Tropical Storm Erica. Doesn't look too impressive. The center of circulation, I guess you can call it, well away from where all the thunderstorms are and all the convection is, so a very poorly organized storm. Winds at 40 miles per hour, moving west-northwest at 20. The National Hurricane Center says that it will move over Cuba, degenerate into a tropical depression later on tonight and tomorrow morning. Then, if it happens to make it into the Gulf of Mexico, re-strengthening into a tropical storm by early Tuesday morning. Now, this is where we're going to have to start to watch it. If it continues on this path, it will make landfall somewhere in the Big Bend of Florida and then move into the south. The deep south could impact Georgia or central Alabama. It's all going to depend on if the storm survives, which right now, in my experience, watching these storms basically all my life move through Cuba, they don't really interact well. And a storm that's already disorganized moving over Cuba does not play well, and don't think this thing is going to survive. But if it does, by some miracle, and moves into the Gulf of Mexico, it could re-strengthen. This is mainly going to be a big rainmaker for the state of Florida, which is good news for South Florida. They need the rain. Folks in Central Florida and North Florida, not so much. So we'll continue to watch Erica and see if it has any impacts on us. But right now, it's not looking good for the storm. 85 degrees for this afternoon. We'll see some scattered showers and some thunderstorms too. 70 early tomorrow morning. Mild and muggy conditions. That Storm Track 7-day forecast shows basically a very summer-like pattern developing. Temperatures close to average for both the highs and the lows. Rain chances right around 20 to 30%. And if Erica continues on its path and moves kind of to our east, we could see some drier air gets pulled in because of Erica, so that'll be some good news. But of course, if it has any impacts on central Alabama, we'll let you know, but those impacts most likely won't be until later on this week, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday at the earliest.
Is this going